A very good morning to all the participants. On behalf of Government First Grade College, Town, I, Tahsin Sultana, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, welcome you all to the second day of our four-day National Online Student Enrichment Program. Inhale the future and exhale the past. We have witnessed International Yoga Day on last Sunday, that is on 21st of June. International Yoga Day is celebrated on 21st of June every year. There are a lot of ancient techniques that work in yoga. Today, we will listen about one of them, that is mudra, an ancient technique which we practice during pranayama or meditation. The Sanskrit word mudra referred as gesture or attitude, described as attitude of energy flow. And mudra integrates our physical body with our mental body, that is mind. Okay, so today's topic is mudra. Today's topic is mudra healing and pranayama. To deliberate on this topic we have with us Sir Sampath Kumar sir, a prominent yoga guru and service-minded person. Sir is the founder of Vivekananda Yoga Center, Yeshwanthpur. A brief introduction about Sir is Sir was born on 8th August 1952. Sir's qualification is Diploma in Electrical, AMIE from Institute of Engineers, India, Kolkata. Sir has served Kirloskar Electrical Company as technical assistant in 1973 to 77. Sir joined Nikon in the year 1977 and worked in this company for many years in various positions. In the year 1996, Sir founded a service-oriented center, Vivekananda Yoga Center in Yeshwanthpur. The center provides various services to the public. Among those are classes conducted about yoga classes, morning and evening, bhajan every Saturday, free teaching of alternative healing system, that is Reiki and cosmic healing in various centers, 3-day healing camps conducted at places other than Bangalore, that is in Nanjangud, Ramnagar, Hebbu, Hosanagara and Hosanagara, and other free classes being conducted on healing art, mind energy technique, emotional freedom technique, mind sound resonance technique, crystal healing, mudra healing, darba healing, miracle mind dynamics, MET, Gayatri Avatar Dhyana, Markaba meditation, Falun Dafa, auricular therapy, personality development courses. In this year, that is 2020, there are new schedules: acupuncture, batch flower therapy, chromotherapy, light emission healing, mudra healing, switchword therapy, magnetic therapy, and pendulum dosing, Tai Chi exercise, it is a Chinese term, Vastu awareness. Sir also teaches Vedic mathematics for school children. Sir, we are very, very fortunate to have you today. So on behalf of Government First Grade College, Town, I heartily welcome you, sir.
Thank you.
I extend hearty welcome to the stakeholders of this program, that is our students from all over Karnataka and from different states of our country. There is a lot to learn from this session and get benefited from this session. So you will have demo exercises also. So on behalf of Government First Grade College, Town, I welcome you all. So now over to Sampath Kumar sir for the session. Sir, you can start the session. Sir.
Okay. Good morning to everybody. I feel all of you able to listen.
Yes, sir.
Whatever. Yes. Now, before we go for the actual practices, there is something called immunity system in the physical body. The immunity has to be developed for each and every person. To mudra healing is nothing but the controlling our immunity system plus breathing system plus some of the techniques to heal the diseases. These are the three concepts which you can adopt in our life to at least first you become immunized. That means Roga Nirodhaka, they call it as. If you want to cultivate this, so if you want to cultivate this, so there is a video you can see first itself. We'll start with the practice of immunization. Okay, once the immunity is start, let everybody be ready to practice the immunity exercise. Increase immunity exercise or inculcate. So make yourself so that you are immunized for everything in this world. That means let us start with this, say the video. I think all of you are ready. So let us start with the video.
Yes, sir, we are ready, sir. Please share the screen.
Okay. Can you able to see the video?
No, sir.
No?
No, sir.
Can you, can you, can you able to share, see the sharing?
No, sir. No, sir.
No.
No. Sir,
Now,
it is starting, sir. Okay, sir. We are
okay.
able to see, sir.
Okay. We'll
Yes, sir.
start with the starting.
Okay.
Let us be sitting itself, you can practice. Take your hands back. Can you able to listen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
उनके यहाँ पे 2 दिन से सिलेंडर इश्यू नहीं करता है।
मम्मी क्या करी ये 2 सिलेंडर अपने का भेजना कर हुई ना तो फिर खाना कहाँ बना रहे हीटर से कोल हीटर आता है
इंडक्शन
Sir, you can explain simultaneously, sir.
So now with the pressing the this one can keep on rotating. Slow movements, anti-clockwise 5 hours. Movements, very slow rotations. Keep the eyes closed or open the eyes if you are comfortable. Just like this. With the inhalation, press. With the exhalation, exhale, release. Inhale, press. Exhale, release. Press. Exhale, release. Release. Okay. Press, exhale, release. Now, take your hands, hold the tip of the ears. With the inhalation, pull down, out like this. Inhalation, pull down. Exhalation, exhalation, release. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Exhale. Now, with the full exhalation, we exhale and start rising up without any inhalation. Complete exhalation, keep on doing. Start exhale, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Inhale, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Pull the abdomen inside and start without inhalation. Complete exhalation, flop your abdomen. Suck your abdomen in, flop your abdomen. First, with the inhalation, stand on the toes, release. Again, inhale, stand on the ankles. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale on the toes, exhale. Inhale on the toes, exhale. Inhalation on the heels, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, inhale, exhale. In the heels, exhale. On the toes, exhale. The heel, exhale. Okay. Yes. Is it okay? Or once again you want to?
It's okay, sir. It's
Okay,
clear,
now.
sir. Yes, sir.
So this is a very important. So this practices. Have you recorded this?
Yes, sir. We have recorded, sir.
Recorded. So
Yeah.
the same thing can be practiced at any cost, at any time. So of course, in the early morning, if they are able to practice, our immunity
Not
keep
audible.
increasing.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So if in the early morning, if you are able to practice this, definitely immunity increases. Clear? Now let us start with the mudra pranayama. Okay? Sharing the PPT. Can you share the PPT now?
Yes, sir. Please, sir. Please share the PPT.
Okay.
Sir, please share the PPT, sir.
Yes.
Please share the PPT, sir.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Okay. Sir, maximize, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Oh, okay, sir. Please start.
So let us start with considering the human being. Human beings are so powerful, they eat more and get the disease. So no animals in the world or no living beings in the world eat unnecessarily, but only human being. Next comes sleep more and become sleepless and dependent right from the birth and become slave. These are all the basic awarenesses which
Sir,
should
sorry
have.
to disturb you, sir. Please, can you on your video, sir?
Ah,
Your video is off, sir.
this video of 1 minute. My video is off. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
Thank you, sir.
okay.
Yes, sir. Okay.
So search for the minor happiness and suffers major sorrows. And in process of the finding, peace becomes intensely tensed. In process of attaining love, become cruel, become more frustrated because of unsatisfied urges. So these are all the variation in the human being. Now, you might have know this, earth is formed by 5 elements. One is fire, air, and earth, water, space. We call Panchabhutas. How human being is forms of these 5 elements, imbalances in these 5 elements causes turbulence in the body and mind. There's a very defective environment which has been created by these 5 elements. If at all any imbalances, it creates in the body. Now, the human body is continuously emitting the electromagnetic waves. You call it as aura through the hands. Hands have the mysterious ability to cure all the diseases through touch. Curing can also happen through mind thought waves, and eyes through acupressure or divine or by angels or by ions. The ions are the sound whispered in the air is called ions. All this effectively makes our breathing. So that is why the pranayama comes in the picture. Now let us understand our thumb is the fire, index finger is the air, middle finger is the sky, space, ring finger is the earth, and small finger is the water. So by any imbalances takes place in the 5 elements, Panchabhutas, so it affects our physical body. Now, let us understand how the mudras work on our physical body. Okay, any mudra you keep it, this nerve system of the end of the fingertips, it is connected to the backbone. So, spinal cord is the root cause for every imbalances in our physical body. By using this tip, pressing it, your backbone will be energized. And at the same time, this energy will be circulated up and down through the back, so that each and every organ is connected to the backbone in the different places. In mudra, in the Sanskrit, it is formulated as rituals, gestures, Hindus, and while some mudras involve entire body, most are performed with the hands and fingers. Mudras is a spiritual gesture. They call it is nothing but a adhyatmika identification, spiritual gesture. And this is very important to energetic or seal of authenticity. Mudra is nothing but the seal of authenticity. Employed in the iconography and spiritual practices in Indian religion and Taoism. Mudras are hand and body positions used in the tradition of the Hinduism and Buddhism. The great Buddha knew that use of mudras, and after depiction using these ritual gestures, various kung fu forms contain positions identical to these mudras. We have 108 mudras are used in the regular tantric rituals, but also used in Indian classical dances. There are 200 mudras in Bharatanatyam and 250 in the Mohini Attam. These are just awareness to given what is a really mudra is. Now let us start with the Dhyana mudra. So while explaining, we try to practice this also. I will keep on explaining this. First, you Jnana mudra, keep the thumb and forefinger joined together. So, especially as it is mudra of knowledge, it is enhances the knowledge. That is why they call it as Jnana mudra. You have to keep the mudra so that palms facing upward. In this position, when we press the center by index finger, by 2 glands work actively. So time duration. How much time we have to do it? So there is no particular time duration for this mudra. You can practice by sitting, standing, or lying on the bed whenever and wherever you like. Now let us start with this mudra. Just Jnana Mudra, keep this mudra tight enough, should be kept very lightly on the lap. Okay? Shall we practice now? Just keep the mudra, very slow, deep inhalation, so deep exhalation. Just practice for 5 rounds. Just for only practice. Now you can practice regularly for more than whatever the time you may feel comfortable. But just for practice, short session. In this session, we cannot do all the mudras in the same pattern, but at least Jnana Mudra. We start with the tighten of the mudra, very lightly kept on the lap. Slowly start inhale, slowly start exhale. This is what you call it as Jnana Mudra. Eyes closed, very deep inhalation, very deep exhalation. This increases memory power and sharpens the brain, enhances concentration and prevents insomnia. That is a disease called sleeplessness. If we practice it regularly, it will cure all psychological disorders like mental hysteria, anger, and depression. So this is regarding on mudra. So you can practice with the 5 rounds of the slow inhalation, slow exhalation. Now, shall we go to the next mudra, second mudra. So same condition, the Prithvi mudra they call it. The Prithvi mudra method again, the tip finger touches tip of the thumb, tip of the ring finger touches. Especially, it reduces physical weakness. The benefit of this Prithvi mudra is reduces physical weaknesses. Time duration, again, it doesn't have any time duration. You can practice anytime you want. Benefits, it increases weight for weak people. It improves the complex of the skin and makes the skin to glow. Let us start this. Keep the mudra either in this form, that is palms facing upward, or downwards, palms facing downwards, so that your mudra should be tight enough. It should be kept lightly on the lap. And keep the eyes closed. Keep your backbone straight. Inhale very slowly. Exhale very slowly. Just 5 rounds of inhalation, 5 rounds of exhalation. And relax. So, now shall we go to the next mudra? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Is it okay to practice?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please continue.
No problem?
sir.
No
Okay.
problem.
Thank you. Next, go to the third. They call it as Varuna Mudra. The tip of the little finger and tip of the thumb, which 3 fingers stretched out. The same way, you can keep it on the thighs like this or upward your palm, so that 3 fingers will be stretched. Special, what is this? It balances the water content, prevents all diseases due to the infection which comes from the water or due to the water. Time duration, there's no specific time duration, and one can practice according to the available time with them. Again, benefits, it maintains the clarity in blood and by balancing water content in the body. Prevents the pains of a gastrointestinal and muscle shrinkages. This is a very important thing. That's why keep this and keep the mudra tight enough. Start inhaling and exhaling. Very slow inhalation, very slow exhalation. Just slow inhalation, slow exhalation for 5 rounds. Keep the eyes closed. Let your backbone straight. Relax. Let us go to the fourth mudra called Vayu Mudra. Keeping the index finger on the base of the thumb. So your index finger on the base of the thumb, with the thumb keeping up the 3 fingers straight. This is the condition. Just place. It prevents the diseases that occurs due to the imbalances in the air. That is any kind of the breathing problem.
ਉਹ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਆ ਜੀ
Hello? The practice of this mudra for 45 minutes reduces the eventually of the disease, any severity of the diseases in 12 to 24 hours. For better results, practice it for 2 months. Automatically, any problem with the breathing system can be eliminated. It cures rheumatism, arthritis, gout, Parkinson disease, and paralysis without any medicine. It is useful for cervical spondylosis, paralysis to face, and catching of the nerve in the neck. It corrects the disorder of the gas in the stomach. So many benefits are there. Just we practice this for 5 hours. Slow inhalation, slow exhalation. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. How much deep inhalation, exhalation you do with these mudras, it will be more beneficial for you. Of course, you should not take any stress or tension to hold the breath or deep inhalation. Take the difficulty in the inhalation and exhalation is not advisable. As casual as possible. Okay. Next, we'll go to the next mudra. Shunya mudra. They call it as Shunya mudra. So, Shunya mudra, keep the middle finger at the base of the thumb, Mount Venus, they call it as, and press it with the thumb. It reduces dullness in our body. One can practice it 40 to 60 minutes daily until you become active. To be cured from any type of the diseases during dullness. It releases any catch within 4 to 5 minutes. Within 4 to 5 minutes you practice, catch in any part of the body can be released. It is useful for the deaf and mentally challenged, but not for the inborn ones. In mother's home itself, it will become mentally retarded is not possible, but afterwards something is happened. This particular mudra very useful to become more active mentally. Start the 5 rounds of the breathing practice. Inhale, exhale. Eyes closed, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Relax. Let's go to the sixth method, Shunya Mudra. Mudras of the sun, Surya Mudra, Shunya Mudra. Second, so bend the ring finger and press with the thumb. Bend the ring finger, press with the, and especially it sharpens the center of the thyroid gland. Any gland which is protects thyroid. The time duration 5 to 15 minutes daily you can practice. You can cure the thyroid problem without any medicine. It reduces the cholesterol in the body and helps in the reducing weight. It reduces anxiety. It corrects indigestion problems. So these are the benefits of this. Just keep it in this fashion and very slowly start inhalation and exhalation for just 5 hours. With the eyes closed, backbone straight. Inhale, exhale. 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 Relax. This you call it as Prana Mudra. You can see this Prana Mudra. So, two fingers out and ring finger and small finger will be touching your thumb and keep the other two fingers out. Okay, so bend the ring finger and the little finger and touch the tip of the thumb with their tips, keeping the remaining two fingers stretched out. So, as it is mudra of life, the prana. It controls the complete prana. Now, how to do pranayama in this, I will tell you later. But it improves the power of life. Weak people become strong. It reduces the clamps in the blood. Any blood clamps, clattings will be removed, blood vessels. If we practice it regularly, we will become active. Time duration, no specific duration, anytime one can practice it anytime. Benefits, it improves the immunity, very good, and improves the power of the eyes and reduces the eye-related disorders. And it removes the vitamin deficiency and fatigue. Any vitamin deficiency, you need not go to the doctor and take the tablet or a capsule. Just do this mudra, prana mudra. Automatically, you will get the initiated by all the benefits of the vitamins. Okay, keep this straight and practice for just 5 rounds inhalation and 5 rounds exhalation. Of course, with the eyes closed. Inhale, exhale. 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 Relax. Apana mudra. No. Take the middle finger and ring finger together and press the tip of the two fingers with the thumb, little finger and forefinger stretches out. It plays an important role in our health as it is regulates the excretory system. This is a very important thing. Practice it daily for 45 minutes. Practice for longer time yields more benefits. It regulates diabetes. It cures constipation and piles. It helps excreting the normal waste regularly. This is a very important practice. Basically, prana and apana is the powerful energy system in our body. If it is imbalances take place in both of them, so we lose any type of the diseases we can get rid of. So immunization will be reduced. That's why this particular prana and apana mudras are very important to practice every day. Okay, we'll start with this inhalation. Very slow inhalation, 5 rounds, exhalation. Very slow, deep inhalation, deep exhalation. Very slow, deep inhalation, very slow, deep exhalation. Practice for 5 rounds. Relax. Go to the next. The Apana Vayu Mudra. Mudra of the heart, they call it as. The tips of the middle finger and the ring finger touches the tip of the thumb, while index finger touches the base of the thumb. So this little finger will be stretched out. This is also called as a Sanjeevani Mudra. Very powerful mudra. We can use this Sanjeevani. Sanjeevani means any type of the by mrityu, you can increase the or span of the life or reduce the birth rate or death rate. You can prolong the death if you definitely requires specialty. It benefits of the heart. It works injection in the reduction of the heart attack. It is also powerful. Sorbate tablet. So whatever the sorbate tablet they give, it is equivalent to that. You don't have to take any tablet. So this mudra, heart problem. It reduces the gas content in the body. Again, the time duration. You can heart patients, BP patients can practice it for 15 minutes daily. Okay, twice for better results. 15 minutes morning and evening they can practice. It gives a lot of benefits. It strengthens the heart and regulates palpitations. It regulates excretory system. It redeems any gastric troubles. Practice this mudra for 5 deep inhalation, 5 deep exhalation. Of course, any mudra you keep it very tightly enough, very lightly on the left. Very slow deep inhalation, very slow deep exhalation. Practice for 5 hours. Next we go to the so 10th mudra decorator Linga Mudra. So interlock the fingers of both the hands and keep the thumb of the left hand up. Okay, so you can interlock left hand up like this. So normally by making this interlock outside or backward, just keep the left hand thumb up in this fashion and vertically straight and keep it at the center of your body. Specialty, it generates heat in our body. Take milk, ghee, more water and fruit juice in addition to the practice of mudra for much benefits. Time duration, practice it anytime you want, but don't practice it a lot. It produces the heat in the body. It can cause the sweating even in the winter if you practice for longer time. Benefit is it stops production of phlegm. So they call it as kapha. Vata, pitta, kapha. Kapha will be reduced and gives power to the lungs. It cures severe cold and bronchial infections. It very much investigates the body. Migrates any problem will be there due to the breathing or phlegm, automatically it controls. So keep this mudra, this position, and left and thumb will be up, and keep it at the center and practice very slow inhalation, very slow exhalation. Now, slowly come to the. Now, till now, we are practicing some of the mudras. How much time you have to practice? Number of breaths, number of time has been identified. But now, the practice procedure to practice mudra healing. Before going to the pranayama, just let us understand the healing. Healing means any type of the disease you want. So this particular mudras can be practiced in the method of the healing method itself is different than what we are going to practice. Basic mudras, what you are seeing till now, the 10 mudras. Now the healing mudras, Chin mudra, Chinmaya mudra, and Adi mudra. So Gnana mudra, you have kept palm facing upward. Chin mudra, you are keeping the palm downwards. So that mudra remains same, but the palms will be facing beyond the thighs. So Chinmaya mudra, other fingers closed together in this fashion. And Adi mudra is a fist. All these three mudras can be practiced. So Chin mudra for healing purposes. You can keep this mudra 30 to 40 rounds. You can practice daily so that any problem below the abdomen region can be released or cured, any type of the disease. Just below the abdomen, any type, including nervous, bone, muscular tensions, everything can be just chilling. Chinmaya mudra, of course, any problem in the heart and lungs. Just practice 30 to 40 rounds every day, 2 times a day. Automatically, your chest pain will be released and heart attacks will not come. Then it is Adi mudra, because our brain, intelligent, works very powerfully, but we get headache more and more. We use our brain more and more. Because we have to use our brain, so more and more we have to get the headache. For that reason, what you have to do, keep the Adi mudra, daily practice for 30 to 40 hours. And you can see any type of the headache, even chronic headache or migraine headache can be removed. If you have one side of the any problem, you can keep the other one side of the mudra, other side free. You can practice it very slow inhalation, slow exhalation for 30 to 40 rounds. You can basic mudra, Chin mudra, Chinmaya mudra, Adi mudra. Creative force, sustaining force, and destructive force. Srishti, Sthiti, Laya. The three concepts of the energy system in our body will be balanced by doing this. How to practice? Hold the mudra tight enough, same way. Keep it very lightly on the lap, elbows stretching the waist. Backbone straight, upright and erect. Inhale slowly, exhale slowly, and very slow inhalation for 30 to 40 rounds. So, shall we have practice of this now? Or just 5 rounds you practice all the 3 mudras? Chin mudra. Mudra should be tight enough, kept rightly on the lap. Inhale and exhale very slowly. Keep the mudra tight enough, elbows touching the waist. Very lightly on the lap, we have to keep it. Very slow inhalation, very slow exhalation. Wait for 5 rounds. Now change the mudra to the Chinmaya mudra, but other 4 fingers will be just fist like, but thumb and 4 finger touching each other. It's called Chinmaya mudra. Inhale very slowly, exhale very slowly. Practice for just 5 rounds. Now, Adi Mudra. Make the mudra fist of your hand as much tight as possible, elbows touching the waist. Keep the mudra on the lap. Again, very slow inhalation, very slow exhalation. Inhale, exhale. Practice for 5 minutes. Relax. Now, different mudras have the different benefits. Any one mudra I can practice, all the mudra I can practice. Everything will be cure the fistula and all that. Sahaja mudra, Shankha mudra. So many mudras are there, and Jyoti mudra. But they find all this particular mudra system will be controlled from the backbone. You can see the picture of the backbone. Each and every point you can see here, each and every point. These are all the points which joins the individual organisms. When you touch tip of the fingers, here the activation takes place in the backbone. This same transfer to the spinal cord, and spinal cord releases the energy to the different organisms. Which mudra you are going to practice, that particular, I told you, intestine, gallbladder, or your stomach, lungs, everything will be energy taken from the spinal cord, so that your any problem with these organisms will be controlled or specified. So that is why We are telling backbone straight, neck straight, and do this mudra healing, whatever this. So now, the very important thing is procedure for practice this. Any mudra you take, whatever the mudra I do, given the 10 mudras and 3 mudras separately, whatever the mudra you do it, so procedure for practice. This is the real procedure we are going to practice now. Okay? Any one mudra you take, this is the protocol for all the mudras. There is no difference for this practice. All the mudras, any mudra you are going to practice for your requirement, you have to practice in this way, procedure to cure the diseases. This is what we call it as mudra healing. Mudra healing, nothing but there is a procedure. Sit in any comfortable position with your spine erect. Hold the mudra by applying the little pressure. Concentrate on spinal cord column. There is spinal cord or a column. Chanting the sounds. Now, I will chant the sound. You are going to repeat the sound. Repeating is for yourself. My chanting, just follow the chanting as prolonged as possible. I will chant this mantra. Now, any required mudra, you can keep it for yourself and chant the mantra. For example, I am keeping, for example, keeping the Adi mudra. You can keep any mudra for you, whatever the mudra you want. Now, keep the eyes closed. Everybody has taken any mudra. They require mudra, I think. Okay? Keep the mudra tight enough, very lightly on the lap, elbows touching the waist. Now, concentrate on your spinal cord, backbone. Just keep the eyes closed. Chant after me the mantra. Lam. Ram. Yam. Concentrate, shifted to base of the spine. And slowly release the mudra and open your eyes. This is the basic practice. You can do any mudra you select according to your requirement. Then do this way practice, which you call it as the mudra healing. And just breathing for 30 to 40 rounds is the mudra, prana, ayama, expansion of the prana or expansion of the breath. This is how the pranayama and mudra healing little different in this. Now, let us understand some of the mudras curing cancer. Of course, Sumukam, Samputam Chaiva, Vitatam, Vishratam Tata, Dvimakam, Trimukam Chaiva, Panchamu, Mukamo, Dukam, Vyapakam, Vyapakam, Ajamalikam, Shakatam, Yamapasham Cha, Pralambam, Mustika, Matsya, Kurmo, Varaham, Grantitam, Mumukunam, Nirvana. This is the chanting of this mantra before the practicing the mudras. That is, this is a basic mantra or sound we have to chant, then go for mudras for curing cancer. So how this? Sumukam, Samputam, Chatuhu, Vimukam, Trimukam. When very easy mudras, Panchamam, all the 5 fingers touching each other. Only 3 fingers, 2 fingers, 4 fingers, Chatuhu. Then comes Adhomukam. This is a basic mudras we can able to do. Vyapakanjali, Shakatam. Shakatam. These are all the mudras name. And Pralambam, Mastukam, Matsya. And Grantitam, Mukhonmukam, Nirvana. Vitatam, Vishratam. Vitatam, Vishratam. These are all the mudras which you are going to practice in the cancer. Those who are suffering from cancer, if they practice these mudras along with the sound concept, make the first sound, then start practicing all this mudra per day. Automatically, your cancer will be released or cured. Okay? So, this is about the mudra healing and mudra pranayama. If at all any practice needed for further, you can just tell me, we can do it. Anybody have any questions they can ask?
Dear students, if you have any questions, please post it on the chat box. I'll ask on behalf of you. If you have any queries, please put it in the chat box. So one participant has asked, is it compulsory to keep the mudras on thighs? Is it compulsory to keep the mudra while practicing mudras? Is it compulsory to keep it on thighs?
On thigh, yeah? Yes, definitely. Thigh should be, so on the thigh, particularly 50% of the thigh has to be covered the mudra. That means any mudra you keep it, it has to be kept on the thigh lightly. Of course, elbows touching the waist. This is the basic requirement for any mudra.
Sir, Virendra has asked, is there any mudra for eye relaxation?
Actually, we have the different technology for the eye. So, of course, I told you the Adi Mudra, when you are going to practice, it particularly works on the head region. So, it is the best mudra for E and T. Ear, nose, throat, eyes, and all that. Of course, we have another type of the mudra called, so I don't know whether we can able to do it or not, Trataka. The Trataka mudra, Kriya they call it as. So mudra we can use only Adi mudra for the self-care. Hello?
Sir, there is
Hello? No, we are trying. Yes. Mudra, Adi mudra can be practiced for any type of the eye problem also.
Sir, there is another question. Is there any mudra for concentration?
Concentration.
Concentration.
Okay. Very. So I told you to improve some of the mudras, particularly those who are the psychological problems or a mental disorder or memory power or brain working. So very simple, Gnana Mudra. Once your knowledge automatically downloads, all your psychological problems or mental problems can be reduced. Increase memory power, increase concentration, everything. So Gnana Mudra. Without any thinking, just do this Gnana Mudra practice every day. So whatever the time it is according to your requirement or your time availability, when you practice for maybe 15 minutes or an hour, whatever the time available to you, you can practice the Gnana Mudra. Any type of the mental disorders can be corrected.
Sir, our madam, Principal Bonnie madam. So somebody is asking if you will teach Anulom, Vilom, Bhastrika, Pranayama.
So, okay, most probably the Anuloma Viloma is wrongly interpreted by the people. Whatever the inhalation you are taking, this Anuloma, what is the exhalation you are getting, it is Viloma. Okay. It is nothing but the inhalation, exhalation. They call it as Anuloma Viloma. So they call it as in Nadi Shodhana, whatever you call it as. But Anuloma Viloma, like Pranayama, is not existing. Bastrika is not the natural process of the practice. It is actually over-excitation of the physical body takes place in Bastrika. Of course, to make the body more active and active, or brain active and active, so Bastrika Pranayama particularly, so that will be how to do the Bastrika Pranayama, to inhale and raise your hand, stretch up forcefully, and exhale down forcefully. Like this you have to practice. This is the Bastrika Pranayama. But what they want through this, what they're asking, what they're asking from these?
Sir, what is the use of that?
Okay. Bastrika Pranayama keeps the more activeness in our body and mind. And of course, so Suryanuloma, Chandranuloma, Nadi Shodhana, very slow inhalation, slow exhalation. So balances your prana throughout the body. That's why I told you prana, apana. So we have the pancha pranas, prana, apana, udana, samana, vyana. All this will be balanced in the inhalation and exhalation. That's what the Anuloma Viloma Pranayama.
Sir, another participant is asking how to control anxiety.
Anxiety. Adi Mudra, Jnana Mudra and Adi Mudra. Both you have to practice. Just practice 30 to 40 rounds every day, or along with this mantra, what I given. Lam, Vam, Ram, Yam, Ham, Nam, O. All these 7 sounds you have to do along with concentration backbone with these 2 mudras. What is that? Jnana Mudra and Adi.
Sir, one of the participants is asking, Dr. Mangala is asking, what is the suitable time for yoga?
The
What
suitable
is the
time.
suitable time for yoga?
Okay. Normally, it should not be fully empty, the stomach, or fully eaten. So it is something which is about after breakfast or something 2 hours, after food after 4 hours, you can do this. Time should be very important. Early in the morning, if it is better, if you do it. Or otherwise, we have to maintain this 2 hours gap after the breakfast, 4 hours gap after the lunch or dinner.
Sir, another participant is asking, is there any mudra for menstrual cramps? Menstrual
for?
cramps, sir.
Muscular cramp.
Menstrual disorder, sir.
Menstrual disorder. So, Chin Mudra, any type I told you on that below the abdomen region, any problem is there, you can do the Chin Mudra. And of course, this Chin Mudra will be tight enough and keep on doing it. And if it is any menstrual disorder, there is one more mudra. So I can show the mudra, I can explain the mudra. The yoga mudra they call it as. That means you have to be sitting in the Padmasana and holding your hand back and touching the chin to the ground and maintain this posture for as long as you can. If you do this, automatically yoga, they call it as yoga mudra. You can practice with this yoga mudra, that particular, any problem with the symptoms of any ladies problem. Any ladies problem can be solved.
Thank you, sir. Sir, one more participant is asking, is there any mudra for controlling high blood pressure?
High blood pressure. Yes, yes, definitely. To practice the mudra, chin mudra, and of course chinmaya mudra. Very important is holding your fingers down like this, tip touching this one, chinmaya mudra they call it as. Keep on practicing this chinmaya mudra. Any heart problem or any BP problem can be overcome.
Thank you, sir. Sir, another question from another participant. Is there any mudra for acidity?
Acidity, same mudra, acidity. So you can take the chin mudra, same chin mudra, practice for 30 to 40 rounds every day, or along with the mantras, that is sounds every day, 2 times a day. Automatically acidity, gastricity will be controlled.
Thank you, sir. Dr. Mangala is asking, sir, pranayama should be done before yoga asana or after yoga asana?
No, it depends. After asana, after relaxed in the shavasana, then they can practice the.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, another participant is asking, mudra for autism.
Autism. This is a very important thing, but whether persons who are autism, they can able to do it or not, I doubt. But still, they can use some of the mudras, they call it as what is called prana, that is apana vayu mudra. So what are they call it as apana vayu mudra, that can be practiced for every day. At least they cannot chant this mantra and all that, but they can do 30 to 40 rounds very slowly breathing and make them to practice. But I don't think autism people can practice some of the breathing techniques. If they are able to practice, well and good, particularly apana vayu mudra, they can practice.
Thank you, sir. Sir, one participant is asking, while practicing mudra, should we keep or maintain diet?
Okay. This is a very peculiar question. Of course, what way diet you call it as? Very important is diet is something which is make you happy. So whatever the diet, it is happy to you and enjoyable, and you are relaxed after diet. So such way, no problem. Any other things, forget about it. Okay.
Thank you very much, sir. It was wonderful session. Hats off to your patience, sir. Yoga develops inner awareness. It focuses your attention on your body's abilities at the present moment. So typically yoga studios don't have mirrors. It is because people can focus their inner awareness inward. So I am sure all the participants have, after attending the session, has made you focus your inner awareness inward. Okay.
Yes,
So I'm also sure that all of you have practiced mudra healing and you all have become stress free and your minds have become very, very calm. Now, I'll call Ravi Kiran, Professor Ravi Kiran sir, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, to propose vote of thanks formally.
Good afternoon, Sanket sir.
Yeah.
Good afternoon to all dear participants. It is my proud privilege to propose vote of thanks for today's eminent resource person, Shri Sampath Kumar sir, Yoga Guru of Vivekananda Yoga Kendra, who spoke on the topic Mudra Healing and Pranayama. Sir, you have enlightened us with the huge knowledge and your experience, sir. So personally, what I felt was, so whatever we are studying in our academics, it is just a literacy, sir. But these are the real education or the knowledge what every human being is needed, I think. The session was very clear, sir, and it was simple and interesting, informative, and it was educational. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank
In
you.
this session, sir has explained the various knowledge of mudras, okay, like Jnana Mudra, Prithvi Mudra, Varuna Mudra, Vayu Mudra, Shunya Mudra, Surya Mudra, Prana Mudra, Apana Mudra, Apana Vayu Mudra, Linga Mudra, etc. So which we were not knowing, sir. So which benefits every human being to reduce many diseases without taking any medicines, and also increases the immunity which is essential in the present situation, sir. So thank you for your patience, and thank you for coming up on online and sharing your experience and knowledge with us. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. It is a very short course, no? So we used to take this whole Mudra healing one day. Now I have reduced to.
But it was very informative, sir.
Yes.
Thank you once again for that.
Thank you.
So I wish to thank the principal of our college, Professor Vani ma'am, okay, for her continuous support, okay, for this program. And also I should not forget to thank Venkatesh sir, okay, for organizing this program. So who is from Department of Physical Education, our college Physical Education Director. And I should also thank all the teaching and non-teaching staffs, okay, for their support. And last but not the least, I should also thank all the participants who have participated actively in the program. Thank you. Thank you once again, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Over to Prasanna.
Thank you, Ravi sir. I thank all the participants, and I request the people to join for tomorrow's session, that is third day of our National Online Student Engagement Program. Tomorrow's speaker is Dr. R. Shobha, and the topic is engaging in art, culture, and literary pursuits, an attempt to develop positive approach to life. Thank you one and all.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Madam, when it is recorded,
Yes,
can
sir.
you send the recorded this one to
Yeah,
me?
definitely, sir. Definitely.
Thank you.
Some participants have asked that we have not sent the feedback form. We will send it today evening. And one of the participants have asked why my audio is muted. We have to do this because we want to avoid any all kinds of disturbance. Thank you. See you tomorrow.